Right. You are welcome to this live training sections, right? Okay. So in this training, you know that you can make a full-time income just using your smartphone. No office, no boss, no limit, just you. Okay, just you and a proven system that works. What I mean by about a proven system is that the system that have been done for you that is working and people are making a lot of money from it and High is making a lot of money from it. So you'll be getting access to a system that works, that works. Okay. So my name is Assis Rashid Dablarims. Okay. So and for the past 1 years, I've been helping people transform their financial lives using the power of affiliate marketing. That's the best thing I know very well, and I know much about it very well, and I'm making money from it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can join them and start making your own money too. So in this training, let's be real, okay? Let's be real. Are you tired of struggling to make end meet? Like if you have a target for a month or per week and you are not making that money, okay? If you are tired of struggling to make ends meet, okay? Spending hours online without seeing any results. You are just scrolling online, you are just wasting your data. That one finish, you still do another data, you are not making any money from it. Just come online, post, view status and know that. So this training is for you. This training is for you. So watching other sources, okay? Watching others succeed, why you wonder if it's even possible for you to do. So that's a question for yourself. Like you have been seeing so a lot of people online that have been making a lot of money from this online business. So it's possible for you. See, one thing is that when you see that others are making something from it, don't have a wrong mindset. Have a good mindset that oh, this thing is working for this person and it must work for me. And with God grace, it will work. So I get it and I have been there too. Okay. So but the truth is the problem isn't you. Just understand the problem isn't you. It's the lack of the right tools and strategy that you don't have. So for you that you are not making money online, it's not that the problem is not you, okay? Just the lack of the right tools and strategy that, that you don't have, okay? So that's why I'm introducing you to this affiliate marketing sales secret blueprint. This is a program, it's a step-by-step affiliate marketing course designed and specifically for beginners, for someone that don't know what affiliate marketing is. Once you have access to this program, you will learn everything from A to Z on how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, or anyone looking to make money online using their smartphone. If you are someone that you have interest in making online with your smartphone, this program is for you. This program is for you. Just wait and watch this video to the end. So please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel before you left. Yeah. So this isn't another complicated program, right? Filling with confusing jargons. This is not a complicated program. This is a program that you will understand when you get started. Okay. So this is a practical, easy to follow guide where I teach you. So it's not something that we just start now, we don't get anything. No, this is a practical and easy to follow guide. Okay, where I teach you by myself. I hold you by hand and put you through everything. So yeah, how to find high paying affiliate program. I will show you the step by step on how to do this thing very well. It will be in a practical way, okay? The exact method to promote and earn commission. That's one too. And how to automate your income and scale your result fast. When we are doing business, there are some days you will not be having time to do that business. No after, but there's an automate. You can use some automations like even when you are not with your phone, the automation will be replying message or closing the sales for you and start making your own money. When you come back, you just see that you just made sales, something like that. That's how all those people that say that they make sales when they are asleep, they make money when they are asleep. They are using automation to automate their business. So don't just take my words for it. Okay, yes, what others who have taken this course are saying about it. Because I have a lot of students that have been under my mentorship about this affiliate marketing that are making a lot of money from it. So here is my here is your mentee. So these are everybody every day. every day people just like you who decide to take action under my mentorship. This is what they are making. This is what they are making. Hope you can see. So this is what they are making. This is one of my students at your main, right? 140K. So $43 and 49 Ghanaians, then Cameroon 7,000 Cameroon money. You can see he said I done it again could damn me, and it's up to 3 weeks. In just 3 weeks, he started making a lot of this money. So this can be you, and you can make more than this. Okay, you can make more than this in just 3 weeks. Once you have the focus to learn and implement. So here is another student of mine. See, this is something to have make 30K plus within the 3 week of getting started too. You see, you see, this is 20,000 plus at 20 Ghanaians. That's almost maybe like 5,000 or 7,000 for the Ghanaians. And then 4,000 Cameroon money. So you see, in 3 weeks, they are making a lot of money for yourself. These are all my students. These are all my students. These are a lot of testimonies about it. This is one of my students that making sales inside the mentorship group. I see this is my mentorship group. It's making a lot of money. And these are others too that are making a lot of money. See, I implement what you said in the live class. Thank you for the insight. So you just need to learn, have focus and learn. Once you have it in mind that oh, I want to succeed in this thing, it is possible for you to do so. So all you need is to stay focused and learn. And these are everyday people, just like you. They don't have two head who decided to take action. Okay, these are people just like you, and here is what you will get when you join this program, this affiliate marketing sales secret booklet. You will get access to the lifetime access to all the lessons. It's not that it will end in 30 days. It's a lifetime access. We will own it forever. Lifetime access to this program. Okay, and exclusive template and tools that simplify everything. Like all the tools, all the templates that you need to do, it's done for you. You are not the one to be cracking your brain. Everything is done for you. All what you need to do is to implement it. 80% of the work has been done for you. The 20% for you is to implement the package. Okay. So a private support group to help you every step of the way. There's a private support group which is live training coaching section. It is private for all the students under the affiliate marketing sales secret. Okay. And the best part is that you can do all this with just your smartphone from anywhere in the world. You can do it with just your smartphone. Eh, I know what you might be thinking now. Okay, like I don't have time. I know everybody don't have time. So with this training, you can start in just 30 minutes a day. There's no way you will not have time and you will not have 30 minutes a day. You cannot give it 30 minutes a day. Just 30 minutes in a day. It's okay. And then I'm not a tech survey. Like some people are not into online space or something like that. So everything is breakdown in a simple terms anyone can follow. Like all you need to do is to go through the practical aspect. Then I'm having you as a mentee. And anything you are facing, you can just ask. That's why you need a mentor in this program. You can just ask, and you will know how to do this thing because it is practical step by step that you can start with. So and then what if it doesn't work for me? This system have been tested and proven. So there is no way it will not work for you unless you say you don't want to do this. Okay, so there's no way it will not work for you. Plus I'm offering you a money back guarantee or bonus support. Okay, so right now you have two choice. Okay, you have two choice, right? So one is keep doing what you are doing and hope things will change. You have that choice, or you take this opportunity to finally achieve the financial freedom you deserve. These are two choice you can choose right now. Okay, and then to get access to this program, so this course is currently available for just 15,000 naira to get access to, and then there is 20 slot for those people that are ready to join. First people that are ready to get started, they are going to pay 5,000 naira to get access to this program now. So, but spot are limited, right? So, and this offer won't last forever. It's just for the 20 people that are ready to start making money online. So, if you are the among of the first 20 people that will get started, you are going to pay just 5,000 naira instead of paying 15,000 naira. You have to pay only just 5,000 naira to get access into this program and start learning and start implementing and start earning. It's simple. So you have everything you need to succeed. Okay, your smartphone, your determination, and now this proven system. Okay, don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Let's make year 2025 the year you change your life for better. Okay, so if you see these things interested, just come into my DM and type I'm ready to get started. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this account before you leave. Thank you.